G'day! In this video, I've got an iPhone 12 that I've just updated to iOS 17.2.1. And the dilemma that I've got with it is that when I had the replacement battery connected, it wouldn't update. It would fail to verify the update. From there, I tried to use a program called 3U Tools, which is a PC-based free program, to do the update, and it would fail at about when it got to just starting to look at the bootloader. So I think it was about 18% or 19%. It would fail that every time. I'd try and tell it to do a fresh reinstall. It would also fail that. Try to do an update on itself. It would also fail that. Weirdly, when I hooked back up the original battery, the update that was already downloaded on the phone proceeded. So what I believe is, if you may have, in settings in general, if you've replaced your charging port, camera, battery, I'm not sure which one exactly, but just for me, I had an aftermarket battery installed, serial number didn't match up, and from there, it wasn't doing the update. But just really strangely, once I connected the old battery back up, which I still had available, as I'd only just swapped it, the update was able to be done. So I'm not sure what's going on there, but that seems to be very bizarre and very frustrating. I'm not sure if this is like the error 34 and various other issues that Apple have had with aftermarket parts over the years. But that was just one thing that I was able to do to get this one going again, switching it back to the aftermarket battery, as this one here is buggered from September 2020. It's a tired battery, it needs to retire. Even though it is producing the error message, it's still a lot better to use this phone with the aftermarket battery that's pretty fresh. Anyway, if you do have the spare parts available, potentially maybe even with a screen swap, if you've done a screen swap and you're getting this error message, you may be or the verification not completing or updating via the PC. If you've still got the original parts, try and put them on and see what happens. Hope this might give you some ideas. Hopefully you still have the original parts available. Anyway, good luck and bye.